Probability Example 32C. There are 6 green, 9 red, and 4 white M&Ms in a fun size pack. If you shake 3 candies into your hand, what is the probability that you will get at most 1 red M&M? So again, we are looking for the probability here. So we're finding the probability of you getting at most 1 red M&M. So what will be in the numerator? That's all the ways that you can get at most 1 red M&M, and what would be in the denominator? That would be all the ways that you could get from that fun size pack just 3 M&Ms. I don't care what color they are, just all the different ways. Well, we need to figure out what our total of all the M&Ms is, and using the associative property, 6 and 4 is 10, and then 9 is 19 total. So in that denominator, since we're looking for all the ways, we have 19 total. And so are we going to use a C or a P? What are we using here? Well, an M&M's not going to jump back in the bag and then come back out. So we don't have a repetition here. Does order matter? No, you just have 3 M&Ms in the palm of your hand. So no repetition, order doesn't matter. That's going to be 19C3. Okay, so that's our denominator, all the ways that you can get 3 M&Ms in your hand. And then in the numerator, they said, we're saying at most 1 red M&M. So at most 1 means our maximum is going to be 1, so our minimum will be 0. Okay? So what will that look like? That will look like 0 red and 3 other. Or, let's look at the max, 1 red and 2 other. Okay. All right, so let's talk about how many we have of each of these. Remember, when we're doing our combinations, we think about how many we have and then how many we need. So we have 9 red M&Ms, and so that would make the other, we could have, the other would be 10 other. There we go. Okay, let's take care of this first scenario. So we have 9, we need 0 red M&Ms, and we have 10, we need 3 other M&Ms, or, so plus. We have 9 red, we need 1, so we're taking care of this right now. And, so multiply. We have 10 red M&Ms, we need 2. Okay, so multiplying that out, I'm going to put an arrow down here, I'm running out of space. I get 525 over 969, which would be fine on a test or on a worksheet, or that reduces to 175 over 323.